Hello and welcome to our video on Bitcoin transactions, from sending to receiving. Bitcoin has become increasingly popular as a form of payment and investment, but how exactly do transactions work? First, let's start with sending Bitcoin. You'll need a Bitcoin wallet with some Bitcoin stored in it to do this. You'll also need the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a string of letters and numbers unique to their wallet. Once you have these, you can initiate the transaction by entering the recipient's address and the amount you want to send to your wallet. You'll also need to pay a fee to miners, who verify and process Bitcoin transactions on the blockchain. Next, the transaction is broadcast to the network of nodes on the Bitcoin blockchain. These nodes validate the transaction and check that you have sufficient funds to send. The transaction is added to the blockchain and part of the public ledger if everything checks out. Now, let's move on to receiving Bitcoin. When someone sends you Bitcoin, they initiate the transaction in their wallet by entering your Bitcoin address and the amount they want to send. The transaction is then broadcast to the network and validated by nodes on the blockchain. Once the transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain, the Bitcoin will appear in your wallet. It's important to note that transactions can take several minutes to be confirmed and added to the blockchain, so you may need to wait a bit before seeing the funds in your wallet. And that's a basic overview of how Bitcoin transactions work, from sending to receiving. Always double-check addresses and transaction amounts before sending Bitcoin to ensure you make everything right. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And for the latest news and insights on the crypto world, visit our website at www.cryptoinvestornewsnetwork.com.